take a little video. We're gonna take her out of the incubator today. Yeah, I know. Okay. Okay, you ready? I know. Hold on. She gets fussy. She gets fussy. Okay, let's get your baba. Okay, okay, okay. Listen, calm down. Oh, come here. Okay, okay. Show everybody how you eat. Yeah. She already had a little, so she may not be too hungry. Okay, okay. Simmer down, settle in. There you go. We might have to change to the other baba. This one's got a big hole in it, so it's not. So she gets more milk. She doesn't have to work as hard on this one. Okay, you did a whole line. You did a whole chunk. You went from, what is that, 10? Is that 10 ounces? Yeah? No, that's milliliters. Because we were at the 40, now you're at the first line. So from the 1 to 2, would you do like a half an ounce? Yeah? Don't poop on me, okay? She likes to poop. We're gonna put her in with her brothers. Huh? You wanna say hello to everybody? Your eyes opened over the weekend, huh? Yeah? You say hello? Do you say hello? Yeah? I gotta get your binky. It's over there on the counter still. You want your binky for a couple minutes? Are you farting? Okay. Let's get you in with your brothers. Mommy's outside playing, and she can get you cleaned up. Okay? Say hello. Okay. And we'll post another video later.